Okay, well, hello everybody, and welcome to our virtual talk today on our approach to how we created a DevSecOps fast lane. My name's Matthew Pegge, and I'm Managing Director of IT at FedEx Express. One of my main responsibilities is to lead the business agility transformation in Europe, and today I have Ilia with me. So, Ilia, over to you.
Thanks, Matt. Hi all, I'm Ilia Shakitko. I'm a DevXOps, site reliability engineering and innovation lead at Accenture, and I'm working together with Matt on the FedEx business agility transformation in Europe as a technical coach. Let's go, and the overview of the FedEx. Matt?
Thank you. So hopefully everyone's at some point in their life received a package from FedEx, or at the very least seen the film Castaway. So you've at least heard of FedEx, if only in the movies. For those of you that haven't, FedEx as a corporation has over 500,000 employees and an annual revenue of about $70 billion. We're made up of 6 operating companies. That's Express, Ground, Freight, Logistics, Office and Services. And I belong to FedEx Express. Express was the original and is historically the largest of the opcos within FedEx and is significantly the only one that operates outside of the US. As you can see, of the total 500,000 employees, around half of those are employed within the Express opco, and more or less a third of all shipments that FedEx handles globally are from within the Express operating company. Next slide, please. Okay, so FedEx as a corporation have been experimenting with Agile for many years, but we officially launched our business agility transformation for real back in around 2018, when our CEO, Raj Subramanian, and our CIO, Rob Carter, used the analogy that you can see on the slides of the small fast fish eating the large slow fish. The analogy goes that gone are the days where the big fish, such as FedEx, simply bought out their competitors or ate the small fish. These days, we see small, nimble startup companies unimpeded by the years of legacy technology and layers of bureaucracy that the big fish can have, attacking small slices of the most profitable bits of our value stream. And left unchecked, this could lead to a death by 1,000 cuts. That's why they explain FedEx needs to lean into business agility and become a more fast, flexible and focused company. Ilia hurrying me up there. So in order to support that business agility transformation, we established an enterprise business agility office. This was stood up to build the core business agility framework based around the 5 key areas that you see on the slide. The model also allows for the opcos and regions to then build their flexible edge while still maintaining enterprise-wide standards and nomenclature, so we don't all need a decoder ring to understand each other. Okay, so what do we want to take away from today's session? It's common sense that we want quality user experience, customer and employee satisfaction to be the best, and to continuously improve the value we deliver. However, it's often a hard decision to sacrifice FTE time for non-delivery work. There's always demand for new features and capabilities, internal requests for new requirements, and BAU defects to fix. We don't want to pause the machine or slow down delivery, right? What about ad hoc requests and deadlines? There's a seemingly never-ending cycle of continuously growing product complexity. On the other hand, when it comes to innovation and improvement, everyone thinks it's a good idea and something that they should support. We encourage teams to adopt new ways of working, apply automation, and improve quality. Yet the reality is there's never time for these moves, or if there is, you stumble upon roadblocks at almost every move. Everyone else is doing their own thing in their way, and whenever you want something, you get asked to raise a ticket. This doesn't enable change. As I said, one of my roles is to stand up an European Agile Enablement Office in order to lead the transformation in Europe. And as part of our broad and balanced transformation plan, one of the key things we decided to do was set up a flagship arc. This is an agile release train that could be recognized as being best in class. And then we would use that to nail it and scale it and spread that across the other release trains. Again, we focused on a balanced approach to launching train, taking an existing art and using external coaches from Accenture SIQ to help coach the art alongside internal coaches and build a robust art roadmap. Key to this was maturing our DevSecOps capability. And today we aim to share how we approach this in a bit more detail. Ilia, over to you.
Thanks, Matt. But before diving into the details, it is important to make a little disclaimer. FedEx is a large enterprise, and this is not a no-regret move in isolation. FedEx Enterprise leadership and Accenture SIQ coaches worked together prior to this event, developing an outside perspective on business agility, maturity across all operating companies. Improving technical agility is one of our critical priorities of the transformation. There are more than 5 change events are taking place in our journey, of course, but here we will focus on 5 main ones. Let's talk about each point now. There is a selection of DevSecOps health diagnostic frameworks. Together with coaches, we designed a custom approach to give us necessary insight across all areas that included maturity assessments, surveys, workshops, and interviews.